Hey everyone, Zane here, and today I'm going to show you how to add up to 20 photos to Instagram carousel post. Now, the first thing you should do is to simply open the Instagram account on your phone, but you should make sure that you have the latest updates. So to make sure that you have the latest update, go to your Play Store, then search here in the apps for Instagram. Then once you search for it, you will have to open it, then click on update. Now, after it's finished installing the update, you should now click on open. And now in order to make a cursor, you should click on this plus sign in the middle. Then you should now choose post, and here as you can see I can choose any picture that I want. Let's say that I will choose this one here for example, and after you select a specific image you should now click on this sign right here, select multiple, and here as you can see you can add multiple photos as you can see. So let's say that I will add these ones. You can add up to 20 photos, then click on next once you select them all, and here as you can see you can add some edits to every photo separately. You can also click on the photo itself and click on edit and do some edits for the photo itself separately. Then once you finish, click on this sign right here. You can change other things, then you should click on done. If you are done with this picture, then you can simply see other pictures in the same way. And if you want to add a specific voice, you can click on the top right corner right here, and you can also remove one of the pictures by clicking on this X sign right here, then click on remove. Once you finish, you can now click on next, and once you click on next, it will show you here this page. Now you have to add the caption just right here, then add a location if you need, tag people. You can also change the audience for only the friends or for everyone, then click on done, and you can also share it to your Facebook reel. So now I'm just gonna click on this button, then click on do not share this post because I do not want to share it to my Facebook. Then once you are all done, you can simply click on share button right here, and after that it will be added to your posts just like so. But here in my case, because it is just being uploaded, it will take a couple of minutes, but this is how you can actually do it. And that's all. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks for watching, and see you in a new video.